Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So from the title it's clear that today is my first day as an SDE intern at Uber. So today is actually 30th May. I'm not very sure when I will be putting the video, and I will definitely share my complete experience with you as a first day SDE intern and also talk about what videos I will put up next in the channel. So stay tuned from that.
So I was not able to record a video inside office because first day so much onboarding stuff etc. But I did take a lot of photos which will help me share my complete experience with you all. So my Uber office is in Bangalore, and all the offices like Uber, Accenture and all other are in area called RJ Tech Park. So on the first day I went there at like 8:40 a.m. and surprisingly there was a big queue even to get inside that RJ Tech Park, and we were required to show our offer letters and a government ID. And guess what? I didn't know this, but fortunately I had my Aadhaar card in my wallet, and also I downloaded the offer letter on the spot. The buildings there are so beautiful. The photos you can see are actually taken from a desk in the office and not from the ground. I went inside the office building where they gave me the badge, and this badge is required for entering into the office or exiting in out of the office and every time basically. Like even seeing that badge made me so exciting about the journey I will have in the next 2 months as an intern here. So after I went inside the office, all the new interns were supposed to come inside the amphitheater. Since some of them, including me, were a little earlier than others, the HR told us to have some breakfast and then come again. Now, the most exciting things start. I have always heard and saw on different YouTube videos about the food at these big tech companies, but finally, it was my time to experience it live. So, unlike some other companies, Uber does not have any coupon or credit system, and it literally has unlimited free food. And I'm really loving it so far. And so, I went into cafeteria for my breakfast. Here we have some standard stuff like omelette, rice, salad bowl, etc. Like the standard stuff every day. And then there is some stuff which keep on changing every day. Maybe they have some pattern, but I've not been here so long to like figure out that pattern. This was good, but the great thing was the unlimited chips, juices, chocolates, and so much other stuff we can have unlimited for free. After eating the PG food, this literally felt like heaven. By the way, I am currently living in a PG. It's very near to the office, so it's like walking distance, and all the interns get around $50 per month as Uber credits. So that I will be spending lavishly. So after completing the breakfast, I went back to the amphitheater and we got our laptop. Now guess which laptop? Well, you probably guessed MacBook, and that's actually correct. But which MacBook? So we actually got the latest M1 chip MacBook Pro 16 GB RAM, and that's really great. And unfortunately, they only opened it, so I was not able to experience its unboxing experiment. But anyways, the first day was mostly some sessions, some offline, some online on Zoom, and you probably know the feeling of online classes. I need not say more. And we had an office tour. So let me actually show you how the office looks like. Just near the exit of cafeteria, we have foosball. I have literally no idea how to play it properly, but I enjoyed it. We have a gym and we can also take shower here only. And there are a few other games like table tennis, carom, etc. And here's me playing on PS4, and this was my great experience. I guess this is not the first day, this is the second day I am playing on PS4. And just beside the PS4 we have a massage chair also, and I actually took massage and played simultaneously on PS4, and believe me, it was a very weird experience, but it was a fun one. Anyways, in college I used to play pool, so I did that here also. The only difference was in college I was a newbie, but here so many people are even more noob than me. So other than that, we also have a nap room where we can go anytime and take a quick nap, and we also have a library, but they are pretty standard. And after like office tour, like after some time of the office tour, I also met with my mentor, and we discussed about the project I will be working on. Now, after all this, it was finally the time for me to set up my desk. So, we don't have as such cubicles. These are the types of desks all around the office, and then we have a few, what should I say, like more relaxing, I guess, sitting areas. Now, I was already impressed with the Mac they gave, but at the same time, I was a little jealous seeing the big monitors some people had. After like working for some time there, and I'm more eating than working, but anyways, I got to know that I just need to ask them and they will give me a monitor and any other thing I need. So obviously I went and asked them and they delivered the monitor to my desk. So we don't have any as such assigned desk. We can sit anywhere we want. It's like first come first serve kind of stuff. So I asked for monitor, keyboard, mouse, both are Apple and also Apple trackpad. I didn't know that existed. So this is what my current setup looks like. And this table is actually height adjustable and sometimes I also prefer to stand and work. I just don't know how I will work on my small laptop screen after this internship gets over. Just wish me luck. Turns out there was one more thing which I forgot to take initially, which is a laptop stand. So the next time I will go to the office, I will include that also in my setup. Like honestly, working with so many high-tech gadgets, especially the Apple laptop, keyboard, mouse, trackpad, is like still a dream for me. So that was all about my first day experience and kind of tour of Uber's Bangalore office. So this is actually the first video on this channel. I mean, apart from the internal college sessions I take, and I would like to put more videos on this channel, not necessarily related to my internship. So definitely tell me in the comments what you would like me to put up, like maybe some tutorial videos on HTML, CSS, some topic specific graphs or DP, or just discussion on some random stuff. So your comments mean a lot to me. So whatever you think, please say hi in the comments and share it with me. So if you like the video, do press the like button and share with the others. If you didn't like the video, it's okay even if you press the unlike button, but make sure you tell me in the comments what could have been improved. Anyways, it's time to sign off, but make sure you subscribe to the channel to get notified about any future videos and also follow on LinkedIn or Twitter for more frequent updates about my experience and learnings. Oh, both the links are in the description below, so just check that.